welcome to every student from our Maharashtra uh, for our e-learning, that is learning online platform. So this is our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department, and today we are going to learn EVS 1 first lesson, that is our Earth and our solar system. So let me introduce myself. I am Mr. Ganesh Sudham Ghule, trained teacher from New Mahi Municipal English Upper Primary School. I want to introduce our officers. Uh, Administrative Officer Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam. Our Nodal Beat Officer is Mr. Sharad Purade Sir. Nodal HM Mrs. Pushpam Maria Paul Madam. Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Anand Madam. CNO is Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burgunle sir. So students, let's begin to our lesson of EVS. So thought for the day, student, I am reading a thought for you. Always look on the other side of life. So student, in our life, there are many ups and downs, positive and negative things, failure and success, but we have to see positive things, what we are having. We should not focus on what you lost, what failure we are gone through, but we should learn something positive from every situation. So good morning, students. So let's start for our Earth and our solar system. So students, today we are going to see the Earth and solar system. It will be very interesting to learn this. Are you ready, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very nice. So before going ahead, we will test some previous knowledge questions or what are in your mind. Okay. Student, my first question, you have to answer it, you have to think over it. What do you observe in the sky at day? When it is day, what do you observe in the sky? What you see in the sky at
Sun.
daytime? Yes.
Sun.
Yes, sun. Only sun.
Clouds.
Clouds, correct. Yes, sun and cloud you observe in at daytime. Okay. Second question, what do you observe in the sky at night? What you see in the sky at night?
Moon.
Star,
Star.
moon,
Moon. Okay. Have you seen, student, our earth? Have you seen it?
No.
No. We are on the earth. We live on the earth. It means we have seen our earth. Yes or no, student?
Yes.
Yes. We are on the earth. We know the earth. Okay. Okay. So students, see this. Observe this picture, and what do you think? What is this?
Moon.
moon,
Okay. This is moon. And what are these?
moon,
What?
stars,
Stars.
Yes.
stars,
These are stars. Okay. Can you see, students? Are all the stars are same in color or different in
No.
color?
no, different in color.
Yes, they are different in color. Okay. Students, can you see all stars are same in size?
No,
No.
No.
no,
Different color, This is
Different
big,
size.
different size. Okay, student. Can you observe all stars are equally bright, equally shiny?
No.
No.
See, student, this star is and this
Mm.
star. This is more brighter. This is more bright, and this is less bright star.
Yes.
Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
But
Yes.
let me tell you, student, student, this is not what you see. It is a random picture. It is it is a bright, brighter than every here star. It is brighter than every star. So you have seen all stars are not in same size. Size is different.
Yes. Colored.
So color is also different. Then
Brightness.
brightness
Right.
is also different. Student, you have seen this star, but there are another bodies also here. They are not visible. Understood? Some other objects are there. They are not visible to us. Students, in the sky, you can see this is
Sun.
Sun. Sun.
okay. These are
Stars.
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 constellation. You can say this is constellation.
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 Constellation. Why,
Constellation.
student, this is constellation? Because it has some pattern. It has
Yes.
some pattern. This is constellation. This is our
Yeah.
Earth, and these are other planets.
Planet.
Yes. And student, this is asteroids. This is asteroid.
Stars.
This is sun.
Sun.
These are stars,
Stars.
and this
Constellation.
is
Constellation.
Earth.
Earth. Yes,
Earth.
yes, student. It is constellation because it has some
Earth.
pattern. Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Student, tell me, where do you find all this? Where do you find all this?
Sky.
Sky.
Correct, correct. You all find this in the sky. Okay, student. Students, can you read this?
Heavenly
Heavenly
bodies.
bodies.
Celestial bodies.
Celestial bodies.
Heavenly bodies or
Or
celestial bodies.
celestial bodies.
Correct, student. You have correctly read these two words, heavenly bodies and celestial bodies. Repeat once again. Heavenly bodies,
Heavenly
Heavenly
bodies
bodies
celestial
or
or
bodies.
celestial
celestial
bodies.
bodies.
Heavenly bodies,
Heavenly
Heavenly
bodies.
bodies.
celestial bodies.
Celestial bodies.
Celestial bodies.
Heavenly bodies,
Heavenly
Heavenly
bodies.
bodies.
celestial bodies.
Celestial
Celestial
bodies.
bodies.
Correct. So, students, these are all bodies. These are all things, objects, sun, earth, planet, star, asteroids. What all these are bodies. It is in the sky, and all these are called
Heavenly
And
bodies
bodies,
or celestial
celestial
bodies.
bodies.
students. Just like human being, birds, animals, and trees, all are living things. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Same thing. These all the bodies, that is star,
Sun.
sun, then planet, asteroids. Students, all these are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies.
Celestial body.
Yes. So all together, star, sun,
Sun,
planet,
planet,
asteroids,
asteroid,
all together is called heavenly bodies or celestial
Celestial
bodies.
bodies.
Heavenly
celestial
bodies or
body.
celestial bodies. Understood, student?
Yes.
Follow?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So whenever you have been asked, tell me the example of celestial body.
Sun, moon,
Yes, yes, sun, moon,
star,
Sun, moon,
star, planets, all are,
asteroids,
yes, asteroids, all are
planet.
celestial bodies. All together are celestial bodies. Understood?
yes.
Yes.
Just like plant, animal, bird, tree, all are living things. One word is given to those things. Similarly, star, sun, moon, planet, asteroid, they all together has one name, that is all together this sun, star, moon, planet, asteroid, these all together has one name. What is that name? That is heavenly
Heavenly
bodies or
bodies or
celestial bodies.
celestial bodies.
Heavenly bodies or celestial bodies.
Celestial bodies.
Student, tell me, star is heavenly bodies or not?
Oh,
Sun, star is heavenly bodies or not?
not.
No, student. Star is also a heavenly body. Sun is also a heavenly body. Moon is also a heavenly body. Asteroid is also a heavenly body. Then Earth is also heavenly body. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Another name for heavenly body. Another name for heavenly body. Another name for heavenly body. It is celestial body.
Celestial body.
ये सभी को दो नाम दिए हैं, हेवनली बॉडी या फिर सेलेस्टियल बॉडी.
Celestial
अंडरस्टूड?
body.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
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 Now students, we will see stars. You all know
Yes.
star is heavenly body? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 The heavenly body that twinkle are
Are
called
called
stars.
stars.
Heavenly bodies that twinkle. Twinkle means shine. That are called
Twinkle.
stars. Another student. Stars have their own light.
On light.
Stars have their own light.
On light.
Repeat. Stars have
Stars have their
their own light.
own light.
Yes. Sun is a star.
Sun
Student.
is a star.
Yes. Sun is a
Star.
star. Because it has its own light. Sun is a
Because
star.
it
It has
has its
its
own light.
own light. Sun has its own light. Sun give light to the others. Understood? That's why sun is a star. Sun is
Star.
a star.
Star.
Sun is the
Sun is nearest
nearest
star
star
for Earth.
Earth. Sun is the nearest star for the Earth. Okay,
Earth.
students, can you tell me which star is the nearest star to the Earth? Which star is the nearest to the Earth? Which star is very, very near to us? That is Sun.
Sun.
Sun is a star that is nearest to the Earth. It means all other stars are very far. They are very, very away. But Sun is nearer to
Nearest.
us. Yes.
Yes.
That's why, student, Sun appears big in sky. And in night you observe the stars. Yes or no? In night,
Yes.
yes. But those stars look very, very small, right?
Yes.
But those stars are very small. And our sun is also star. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sun is also star. And in night you observe stars. Understood? So in
Yes.
night you observe very small stars, but at
Yes.
daytime you observe big star. At
Sun.
daytime you observe this big star. What is the
Sun.
name? What is the name of this star?
Sun.
Very good. This star is sun. Understood, student?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
So sun is a star which is near to us. That's why it appears brighter. It appears brighter and big in size. In night, you observe very small stars.
Small stars.
Why? Because these are very far from the us. And this star, what is the name of this star? What is the name of this star?
Sun.
Very good, student. This is sun. Now tell me, first, star has their own light. Star has their own light. Sun is star because it has own light, and sun is the nearest star for Earth. Which is the nearest star for the Earth? That is, tell me, student, which star
Sun.
is nearest to the Earth? That is sun. Understood?
Yes. Understood.
Okay. Who has their own light? Who
Star.
has their, yes, stars have their own light. It means all the time they shine. All the time they give light. Student, Earth get light from Earth get light from
Uh,
Earth gets light from
so stars.
which star?
Sun star. Sun.
Yes, very good, excellent. So at night there is complete dark
At
because at night sun
at
is not
night.
giving light to us, but at daytime sun give light to the earth. That's why, student, we see everywhere light. So sun to light to the earth. Okay. Now see, student, we have seen star. Just now we have seen star. Now it is planet.
Planet.
So once again, planet is heavenly body. Planet is heavenly body. Another name for heavenly body, celestial body.
Celestial body.
Celestial body. Okay. So planet is heavenly body that do not twinkle are called planet, and planet do not have their own light. Planet do not have their own light. So student, who
Yes,
have
sir.
their own light? Who have their own light?
Oh, uh, Earth is plan.
No.
So,
Here,
sun,
stars
star,
have their own light. So they need not depend upon other. Stars have their own light. Planet do not have their own light. Understood? Earth is a planet. Earth is a
planet,
planet. Repeat after me, student. Earth is a
planet.
planet. Earth is a planet.
Earth is a
Why?
planet.
Because Earth do not have light. See, student, here. This is sun. This is earth. Understood? So,
Yes,
who is giving light? Who is giving light to the earth?
moon,
Who is giving light to the earth? This is
moon,
sun. This is
sun.
sun, and this
Yes,
is earth.
earth,
So, who is giving light to the earth? Who is
water,
giving light to the earth? Who is giving light to the earth?
Sun.
Yes,
uh,
correct, student. Sun is giving light to the earth. Sun is giving light to the earth. So, student, sun is star and earth is planet. So, student, who is star then here? Who is star?
Sun.
sun,
Very good. Sun is, and who is planet?
earth.
Earth. Okay, tell me, student, who has their own light? Who has their own light?
Moon, light,
Earth
earth,
has own light
earth
or
in
sun has own light?
own light.
Who has own light? ओन लाइट यानी खुद का लाइट, दूसरों का लाइट नहीं चाहिए.
खुद
Who
का
has
लाइट चाहिए.
their own light? Who has their
Earth,
own light?
earth and sun.
Earth and sun. अर्थ को खुद का लाइट होता है क्या? तो रात क्यों होती? अर्थ का खुद का लाइट है कि नहीं है?
नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Very good, student. So earth is star or planet? Planet or
Planet.
star?
Planet.
Very good. Yes. Now you
Planet.
planet don't have their own light. Sun है, जो कि हमारा सन है. प्लैनेट जो कि हमारा अर्थ है. तो planet earth, we are not having our own light. but sun and star has their own light. Understood, student? Understood?
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me here, star has their own light. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Sun is star. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Planet is planet does not have light. Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes. So planet get light from get light from
Sun.
Sun.
star. Star.
Star.
Planet get light from star.
Star.
Okay, student. Now
Solar
let's
system.
see the solar system.
Solar system.
Getting solar system.
Sir,
Solar.
sir, your
Why
audio
is
is not
solar
good.
now? Is it now? Is it clear? Repeat it. Solar
Solar system.
system. Solar. Why it is solar? Because of sun.
Sun.
Sun is solar, and system means it is a pattern. It is systematic pattern. This is solar system. Let's see, students. Solar system. What is it? What? So, just it is name solar. Why it is solar? Because of
Sun.
yes. See, student. This is our sun. Understood? See, sun has its own light. So, what do you call sun, star, or planet?
Star.
Star.
Very good. Sun is star. And all these,
Uh, Moons.
Planets.
all,
Planet.
all these get light from the sun. These all get light from the sun.
Suns.
These all get light from the sun.
Sun.
So, students, sun is a star, and these all are planets.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, students, this is our solar system. And in this solar system, one big star. What is the name of this big star?
Sun.
Sun.
Yes, it is sun.
Sun.
Okay. So, and these all are planet. So in solar system, you get two things, that is sun plus planet. So in solar system, you all get sun and planet. Students, this is sun and these are planets. And what do you see these students? Can you tell me what is this? What is this?
Uh,
S- Small planets.
Small planets.
No,
Stars.
it is asteroids.
Yes. Oh,
These are asteroids.
astrolite. Sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think,
I am
sir,
hearing. What?
आपके आवाजें है थोड़ी अटक के आ रही.
Okay, okay.
आई थिंक आपको रेंज आपके इधर रेंज नहीं है.
Okay, अभी आ रही है क्या?
हाँ
Hello?
अभी आ रही है. हाँ अभी आ रही है.
Okay. So, student, in solar system, you have seen sun. What is this? Planet, asteroid, and what is this, student? What is this?
Sun, asteroids, planet,
What is this?
star.
It is see, student. This is something has tail. You can observe this tail.
Yes.
This is comet. What is this? Comet.
Comet.
Okay. So in this way, our solar system look like. See another picture of solar system. Here, which star is this? What is the name of this star? What is the name of this star?
Sun. Sun.
Yes. Yeah. These are planet. These are planet.
Yes.
Okay, student. So Mercury,
Mercury,
Venus,
Venus,
Earth,
Moon, Earth,
Earth,
Mars, Mars,
Jupiter,
Jupiter, Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune,
Neptune.
and Pluto.
Pluto. Very good. So in this our solar system, this is sun.
Sun.
It is star, correct? And
Yes.
these
Yes.
all are
Planets.
very good. These all are planets.
Planet.
So solar system, sun plus sun plus planet. Student, this is a revolution. This is
Solar system.
sun, and this is earth.
Earth.
It revolves around. It revolve around the sun. Repeat it. It revolve around the sun.
It revolves around the sun.
Yes, it revolve around the sun. It revolve around the sun. So this is called revolution. Revolution of Earth. This is revolution of the Earth. Okay, student, what is this?
Sun.
Sun is a star, planet.
Mercury.
Mercury,
Venus.
Venus, Earth,
Earth.
Mars,
Jupiter.
Saturn,
Saturn. Uranus.
Uranus,
And Neptune.
Neptune.
and Neptune. What are these
Planets.
Planet.
मेरे को भी मार दो उसको किधर मेरे को छोड़
Solar
देती है
system.
अभी
Children,
थोड़ा
solar
थोड़ा
system
अभी दोनों
consists of
Sun,
sun plus
Sun,
Mercury,
Mercury,
Earth,
Venus,
Mars,
Earth,
Jupiter,
Sun
Mars,
plus
Saturn,
Jupiter,
Mercury, Venus,
Saturn,
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and
Saturn,
Neptune.
and Neptune.
Okay, how many stars are there in our solar system? How many stars? How many stars are there? Two. Two stars.
No, one. So many stars.
One.
So many stars.
No. In our solar system,
Oh, one.
one. Correct, student. So, one star. And planet, check the planet.
8 planets. 8 planets.
One,
8
two,
planets.
4, 5, 6, 7.
3,
8 planets.
4,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
So, 8 planets
Planets.
and one
Sun. Star.
one star. So, our solar system, one star plus 8 planets. Understood?
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Now, students, satellite is also heavenly bodies
Heavenly body revolve
around the
around planets.
planet.
There
These
are
are called
called
satellite.
satellite.
Students, satellite, suppose this is planet Earth and this is moon.
Moon.
Moon revolve around the earth. Moon revolve around the
Around the
earth.
earth.
So this moon is called
Satellite.
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 So student, you know this is our solar system
Yes.
and
Yes.
all planet revolve around the sun. These all planet revolve around the sun. These all planet revolve around the sun. So this is, you can see this is earth.
Yes.
So student, how many planets are there? How many planets?
8.
8.
8 planets. Plus how many sun?
1.
1. This all together is called
Solar system.
Solar system. Solar system.
Very good. So student, this is star
Star.
and name of the star is
Sun.
sun. This is planet,
Planet.
name is
Earth.
Earth.
and this moon revolve around the earth.
Earth.
Moon revolve around the earth. So moon is satellite.
Satellite.
Moon is
Satellite.
Satellite.
satellite of the earth. Moon is satellite of the earth. Moon is satellite of the earth. Moon is satellite of the
Satellite
earth.
of the earth. Moon is satellite of the earth.
This is Jupiter.
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 Jupiter is planet or star?
Planet.
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 Planet. Yes. Planet. And these revolve around the Jupiter. ये Jupiter के around revolve करते हैं. So these are called
Satellite. Jupiter.
Satellite.
Satellite of Jupiter. Satellite of
Jupiter.
Jupiter has a 3 satellites.
Yes. Students, now this is
Planet.
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet. Student, dwarf planet means
Heavenly bodies.
yes, student.
Heavenly body
Now
revolves around.
They are
sorry,
called dwarf planets. P.
dwarf planet.
Pluto.
कौन सा example? Pluto.
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 Pluto is dwarf planet. Pluto is dwarf planet.
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 Pluto is
Dwarf
Planet.
dwarf
Of
planet.
planet.
Pluto is dwarf planet.
Planet.
Pluto is dwarf planet. Student,
Pluto is dwarf planet.
students, here Pluto, सबसे
Pluto.
smallest, that is called it is dwarf.
planet.
Dwarf.
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf
So
planet.
Pluto is dwarf
Pluto is
planet.
dwarf planet.
सबसे dwarf का मतलब होता है सबसे छोटा, बुटका, सबसे एकदम very
Small.
small. Yes, very small. That is called dwarf planet. So
Short.
Pluto is yes, very short. That is Pluto is dwarf planet.
Pluto is क्या था?
Dwarf
Dwarf
planet.
Planet.
Sir, Pluto's size also our like Earth.
Pluto size.
Asteroid.
Very short.
Asteroid. Students,
Asteroid.
asteroid.
Solid.
Between asteroid,
Between
Mars and
Mars
Jupiter.
and Jupiter. Mars or
Yes,
Mars
Jupiter.
and Jupiter.
Yes, it is between Mars and
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Asteroid
Asteroid
belt.
belt.
Asteroid
Wave.
Asteroid
Asteroid wave.
belt. हमें
Belt.
बेल्ट पता है ना, जैसे we wear belt of in our pant, that is belt. It is between Mars and Jupiter.
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 Yes, sir, that is asteroids.
Yes. So, see student, this is Mars.
Astro
Mars.
Mars.
Mars. Jupiter.
Jupiter. Asteroid.
And
Asteroid.
is asteroid. ये asteroid
Asteroid.
belt है.
Asteroids belt.
It is asteroid belt. It is
Asteroid
between
belt. It is between
between
Mars
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 and
and Jupiter.
Jupiter. So asteroid belt. These are asteroid belt. Asteroid belt. So asteroid
Asteroid.
belt is between Mars.
Mars and Jupiter.
Correct.
Mars.
Mars and Jupiter. Mars and
Now see students. What do
Gravity.
you mean by gravity? Gravity. Students, when you throw something,
Sun planet.
it comes
Sun
down to
planet.
the earth.
Sun
Yes.
planet.
When you throw something up, it come down to the earth. That
Sir,
is yes.
जो ग्रेविटी रहती है वो
Yes.
ऊपर वो प्लैनेट्स में उड़ती है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, अट्रैक्ट करती है. सी स्टूडेंट, सन
सन
Planet.
planet. How many sun?
1.
स्टार
8.
8.
8
This
planets.
is called solar system.
Solar system.
Solar system.
Solar
System.
system. Okay. See student, sun
Sun.
pull the planet. Sun
Sun
pull the
Planet.
to the planet.
planet. and planet try to go away from the sun.
Sun.
Sun
Sun.
planet को
Planet.
अट्रैक्ट करता है एंड प्लैनेट सन से थोड़ा दूर जाना चाहता है.
हाँ.
So this is a force. Gravity is a force, attraction or pull
Attraction.
between sun and planet.
Planet.
So that's why students, uh, that's why this planet revolve around the students. This planet revolve around the sun.
Sun.
This planet revolve around the sun.
Sun.
So there is a attraction between sun
Sun.
Sun.
and planet.
Sun.
And
Planet.
Attraction between planets. So this is called gravity.
Gravity.
This is called gravity.
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 So student, space. What is space? It's emptiness between and beyond the stars and planet is space or outer space.
Space.
So space,
Space. Space.
Space.
you can see
Space.
here. See student,
Oh.
this is our solar system.
Solar system.
Solar,
Solar system.
Solar
yes,
system.
this is solar system. See how many solar system you can see here. Many other solar system.
5,
Yes, many,
6,
many
7,
millions and
8, 9,
billions,
10,
millions
11,
and billions. It is countless. Student, it is
उसको हम
countless.
इसको हम काउंट नहीं कर
नहीं कर
सकते.
सकते. So, student, this all comes in space. This all comes in space.
Space.
Space. ये
Space.
सभी किस में रहते हैं? स्पेस में रहते हैं. Understood?
Yes.
Yes,
So,
sir.
whatever you see in all this space. Students, to go into space, Indian space
Indian
mission is
Space Mission.
Indian space mission is
Mission.
ISRO. Indian space
ISRO.
mission is ISRO.
ISRO.
I for India.
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 S for
India.
space.
Space.
Is
R
Space.
for research. O for organization.
Organization.
That is called ISRO.
Organization. Organization.
So,
Is RO.
I Indian
India.
Space
Space
Research
Research
Organization.
Organization.
ISRO.
India Space
RO.
Research Organization.
Organization.
India Space Research Organization.
Correct. Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. That is called ISRO. So students, see this ISRO. What it does? It launch a rocket into the space.
Space.
See student. Mission Chandrayaan.
Mission
Chandrayaan 1.
One. On
On
22 October 2008.
2008.
8. See this. This is a
As
Chandrayaan. This is Chandrayaan.
Chandrayaan.
Here at this level, this Chandrayaan was
Chandrayaan.
and this rocket went into the space. ये rocket space में चला गया with Chandrayaan 1
1.
What is the date?
22 October 2008.
Yes, 22nd October 2008. Chandrayaan, student
22
Chandrayaan,
October
Chandrayaan,
2008.
Chandrayaan,
Chandrayaan 1.
Chandrayaan ये कहाँ पे गया
Chandrayaan.
रहेगा? ये कहाँ पर गया रहेगा? कहाँ पे
Chandrayaan.
गया रहेगा?
Chandrayaan.
Chandrayaan, Chandrayaan
Oh, Chandra
went
pe.
to the Chandra. That is, what do you call
Chandra.
Chandra in English?
Moon.
Moon. Chandrayaan went to the moon.
Moon.
Yes, Chandrayaan Chandra पे गया था. Understood?
Chandra.
Yes.
Yes.
On 22nd October 2008.
8. मैंने बराबर उत्तर दिया.
Very good. Now, student, another mission, that is Mangalyaan.
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 Mangalyaan
Mangalyaan.
किस पे गया रहेगा ये?
Mangal pe.
Yes, Mangal means
Mangalyaan.
in English
Mars.
Mars. So Mangalyaan went to the Mars and
Mars.
Chandrayaan went to
Moon.
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 Chandrayaan went to moon and Mangalyaan went to
Mars.
Mars. Very good. So 5th November
5 November
5
2000.
November 2013.
24 September 2014.
14.
Yes. This was the date, and student, on this date Mangalyaan went, and on this date, that is 24 September 2014, that Mangalyaan landed on the Mars. वो Mars पे
Mars.
लैंड हुआ, Mars पे चला गया. And 24 September 2014 को, और स्टार्ट कब हुआ था? 5th November
5th
2013.
November 2013.
Okay, student.
And sir,
Yes.
इधर
Yes.
पीछे की स्क्रीन करो ना जरा, पहले की.
Yes.
इधर देखो, M.O.M लिखा है.
हाँ, yes, that is short form.
Short form. M Mars
orbit.
Mars orbit mission.
Mars O for
Mars
Orbit
Earth
M for
mission.
mission.
Mars orbit
Mars
mission.
Earth
Mission.
Mars orbit.
Mission.
Mars Earth missions.
Mars orbit mission. So Mangalyaan is also called Mars orbit mission.
Missions.
So student, this is a rocket, and this is Diwali rocket, and this is actual space rocket. So student, actually whatever you want to send in the uh, launch, that is kept at the top of the rocket, and this is all our fuel. ये सभी फ्यूल होता है, एंड जो मंगलयान या चंद्रयान, that is kept here, and this all are fuel, that is just like your petrol, that petrol run the bike, and here this petrol or this fuel run the rocket. So similarly, rocket goes up. So students, this is the scientist goes into the space. It is called astronaut.
Astronauts. India astronauts.
India's astronauts.
Dr. Rakesh Sharma.
Dr.
Went
Rakesh Sharma
went into the space
went in
in
space in 1984.
84.
1984. He spent 8 days in the space.
Spent
वो
8
8
day in
days
space.
space में रहे. Okay, students. Now answer the question. What is the name of the star of our solar system? What is the
Sun.
name of the star? Sun. Okay.
Sun.
Who has its own light, star or planet? Who has its own light, star or planet?
Solar system.
Who has its own light? खुद का
Online.
लाइट स्टार के पास होता है कि प्लैनेट के पास होता है?
Oh,
Star के पास.
star के
Yes,
पास.
very good. Third question. How many planets
How
are in our solar system? How
8
many
planets.
planets? 8
planet.
planets. Fourth question. Asteroid belt is present in between two planets.
Mars and Jupiter.
Mars
Yes,
and Jupiter.
Mars and Jupiter. Correct.
Jupiter.
Name the star nearest to the Earth. Name the star nearest to the Earth.
Sun.
Very good.
Sun.
Sun. Then name the natural satellite of the Earth. Name the natural satellite of the Earth. Earth के around which satellite revolve? Earth के
Moon.
around. Moon.
Moon.
Correct. Correct. Name the dwarf planet you know.
Pluto.
Pluto.
Pluto. Correct. What is the
Pluto.
full form of the ISRO? Full form of
India.
India.
Indian
Space.
Space
Research.
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 O for organization.
Organization.
Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Very good, student. Name the two mission by ISRO. ISRO has launched two mission. First mission for moon. What was that mission?
Moon. Mangalyaan.
Mangalyaan. Second, no, first is Chandrayaan.
हाँ,
Then second-
Chandrayaan.
Second,
Mangalyaan.
Mangalyaan. These are the two missions.
Yes.
Who was the first astronaut of India? First astronaut of India. Doctor
Dr. Rajesh.
Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma. Dr. Rakesh
Dr.
Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma.
Okay, student. Well, so student, this is homework for you. You can take the screenshot of, draw our solar system, then find out Indian astronaut on internet, watch the video of Chandrayaan-1 on YouTube, write the name of 8 planets of our solar system. So student, you can take the screenshot and you can read the textbook which is given to you. You can read the lesson. Okay, student.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, and we will meet in our next lesson. Till then, all the best. Thank you, student. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, student.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for listening and giving answers, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ganesh sir.